Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. I quickly want to point out that test tube does not package the box like a mess like this. I actually am having to film this a second time due to technical difficulties, so that's on me, not on them. I had to put everything back together-ish and redo this. Lovely, right? That is my life in a nutshell. I am going to be sharing with you the November 2019 Test Tube Beauty. This is their last one for 2019. I'm super excited. Everything looks amazing. I don't know how Test Tube keeps killing it, but they do. If you're unfamiliar with Test Tube Beauty, I think after taxes and shipping, it's about $38, and it's a bi-monthly subscription. From my experience, there's been a lot of skincare and hair care products. Before we jump in, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel before clicking off this video. I post new videos Monday through Friday of subscription unboxings, beauty hauls, first impressions, eyeshadow palette reviews, and more. Hopefully you are watching in the month of November because I have my Thanksgiving giveaway open right now. All you have to do is be subscribed and comment your favorite Thanksgiving dish on my giveaway video. There will be a link in the cards as well as the description. Definitely make sure that you check that video out after this one. And if you're curious about this look, there will be a video on Wednesday on how I achieved it. I don't want to give away any details right now, even though I have filmed about 3-4 videos using this look right now, and I know the suspense is killing you. So Test Tube sends a box like this, and not everything fits in the tube. Test Tube also comes with this magazine that shows you what you got in your box, and then a dedicated page about information about the products, how to use it, where to buy it, how much it retails for. I usually start off my Test Tube beauty unboxing with the products that we received not in the tube first, just to go over them first before diving into the tube. But I also try to go in order so I'm not flip-flopping back through pages because I don't want it to be distracting. The first product I received is the BIJOU Labs Restorative Treatment Mask, and this retails for $30. So according to the magazine, this mask delivers a hydrating and conditioning boost, and you apply a generous amount to clean wet hair, distribute evenly, and leave on for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse well and use weekly. When I do a hair mask, I leave it on for about 30 minutes. That's typically because I have a lot of hair, and I don't know if every single part of my hair is getting the moisture and benefits of the mask, so that's why I like to leave it on for a very long time. I am very excited for it. I love hair masks. I haven't tried BIJOU Labs before, and it looks thick. It smells like vanilla too. I have a little bit because someone was trying to escape the jar. Let's go on ahead and try. Ooh, it does feel super hydrating on the hand. I know it's just my hand and not my hair, but oh, it smells so good. I'm so excited for this product. I hope my hair is gonna love it as much as I love smelling it. I definitely know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this product. I don't think I would use it weekly. I think I would just use it once a week and then leave it in for a longer time than just 3 minutes. You see this lion's mane? It's a lot. 3 minutes is not gonna be enough time. Next, I received the Chlorane Shower Gel, and this retails for $14. I've used Chloraine's dry shampoo and a little travel size of their other shampoo that I think I received in an Ulta gift with purchase. It smells like pomegranate or grapefruit. I hope it's very hydrating. I hate body washes that dry out my skin and also leave me ashy. This is supposed to be a gentle daily body care powered by the benefits of organic kapusi. I don't know. It has like that same letter on the asi bowls that we always talk about. I'll put it on the screen for reference. Butter sustainably sourced from the Amazon rainforest in Brazil. Apply a small amount of gel to wet skin. Rinse thoroughly. For all skin types, I'm very excited to try this out. It smells fantastic. I'll let Griffin try some of this. He's always curious about the new stuff I put in the shower, so he can leave a first impressions on his thoughts of this body wash. Even though he has his Bath & Body Works for men, but he still wants to use what I put in. Excuse me. Next, I have the Abeline razor, and this retails for $10. Not gonna lie, I use men's razors to shave my legs because women's razors don't do it for me. I always end up cutting my legs. It looks like I had an accident, and then your legs burn when you're trying to rinse. I have moved to using men's razors, and I love it because the men's razors are supposed to be made for their face. I know my face is sensitive, and I'm sure taking a razor to it would be too. too, so that's why I use it on my legs. And I see myself having a smoother shave as well as not cutting my legs nearly as much. But it looks like it does have some things to maybe make a smoother shave, and there's a lot more blades to it. I don't know. The men ones look so much better. Oh, and it has like this cool like little contraption on where you need to get into like the hard areas. You know what I'm saying? Interesting. I am gonna give it a shot. I kind of want to put it to the test against a men's razor. I still have my money on a men's razor than this, but you know, this could take me by surprise. Let me know if you guys use men razors to shave your legs. It is life-changing. I do have one more product that was outside, but it's not the next one in my little magazine. So we are going to open up the tube, and I did just package this myself. Like I mentioned, this is my second time refilming it. Gotta love technology, right? And we got 4 additional products in the tube. Next, we have the VitaBrid C12 Scalp Shampoo, and this retails for $32. This shampoo helps strengthen the hair root to create the look of volume from root to tip for incredibly voluminous and healthy looking hair. I already have voluminous, check. I just need it to look a little bit more healthy, which is what I'm gonna go for with this product. I don't think I've really used any products that really target the scalp. I normally use very hydrating products because I have a lot of hair. It says a powerful proprietary blend of VitaBrid CG, which is stabilized vitamin C, vitamin B complex, and peptides to promote the look and feel of thicker, fuller hair. I think I'm gonna let Griffin use this product as well because he doesn't have really thin hair, he doesn't have really thick hair. He's in the middle. So I wonder how this works for my thick hair. Man, if it's talking about the volume it's gonna get, my hair is gonna be like out to there. And my hair does thin out when I do straighten it. This is not my natural hair. I actually do have a pre-film video that I still need to edit of my natural hair. It is a hot mess. Fair warning. But you guys are always telling me that you want to see my natural hair, which I'm very like iffy about it. Once I get my hair to this point, I really do enjoy it. It's just a lot of maintaining and things I have to do to get to it. I've actually been slacking on my skincare, putting more into my hair care. Trying to find a balance has been difficult, but I think it would be fun for me to try this as well as Griffin because we have 2 completely different hairs. Not just I am brunette and he is blonde, but our hair is very different with respect to thickness, moisture. He actually has very nice hair for a male. I am quite jealous because he doesn't do anything. He just uses whatever shampoo, conditioner. Yeah, he uses a leave-in, but it's just the leave-ins that I don't want. It is not fair. Granted, I do appreciate the hair that I do have. It's just a lot to maintain. I'm already high maintenance as it is. My hair can outbeat me on my high maintenance though. Next, we have the Refresh Skin Therapy Fruit Acid 15% gel peel, and this retails for $36. I am a little bit scared that it says fruit acid gel peel. Are we supposed to be putting fruit on our face? Because I know Juice Beauty is all about juices on your face. I don't know, it makes me nervous. I've only really used the Ole Henriksen blue toner, and it has a very high percentage of like lemon, and I see lemon on this, and it actually does burn my skin slightly, but it does help my dark spots. That's what it's called. It's the dark spot toner. So I'm very nervous about this. This is supposed to be an organic peel that helps improve the appearance of fine lines and pore size. Fine lines that I have are usually just underneath my eyes, but I do have decent sized pores, which I hate because I love saying hashtag no pores. That is one of my catchphrases. I don't know. And we put this on clean skin, spread a thin layer over your entire face and neck. Leave on for 1 to 3 minutes depending on tolerance. Oh no. Rinse with water to neutralize the solution. I would probably stick for me to the 2-minute range because I do have sensitive skin. I kind of want Catherine to try this. Oh my gosh. I'm setting her up for a failure. I'm such a great friend. But I'm curious because she has the most sensitive skin on any person I've ever met. I thought I had sensitive skin. I'm here. She is like way up here. You can't even see it on the screen. My guess should probably last maybe a minute at max. I used to be a chemist. I think that would be a fun science experiment. We'll just have buckets of water on standby to splash everyone if we're having a reaction. We could even throw Griffin into it because he doesn't really have sensitive skin. He could probably reach the 3 minutes. Catherine is the 1 minute, I am the 2, and Griffin's the 3. That's my hypothesis and will that be the outcome of my experiment? So if I can get them on board on doing this, stay tuned for the results. I feel attacked by getting a 4th lip product. I think the subscription boxes are saying, you bitch about your lips, here you go, take all the lip products. But it can't just be me taking it that way though, because this is a 4th independent subscription box. I've received a lip scrub, exfoliator, or a balm to help my dry, chapped lips, which I appreciate, and it's gonna get used, but that's a lot. This is the New Body Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish, and this retails for $8. And I did try this on my hand, and it's very refined, but it's very dehydrating. So I would need to follow with like the balm that I received in my Fashion Stub box just to restore some hydration. It exfoliated well and it felt smooth. It just needed a little bit of hydration. The hard part about this product is not gonna be the not using it, it's gonna be the don't eat it. So I'm gonna add it to the family of my lip products that I received in October. And I am missing one, which is the balm that I mentioned. It's actually on my nightstand right now. Next we have the Laura Geller Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick, and this retails for $21. I thought Laura Geller went bankrupt, so I'm not sure how we received another product by them, but also FabFitFun opened up their add-ons and there was a lot of Laura Geller on there too, so I'm glad they're still relevant because the Balanced and Baked foundation is my favorite powder to set my face with. I actually have a few of these. They had a holiday set at Ulta last year, which I picked up and I loved it. Oh, it's such a beautiful pink shade that I really like. These are the pinks that are up my alley, the very rosy pinks. I just don't want to get the swatch on my shirt, so I'm just going to remove it right now. And then the last product received is the Elvis and Elvin Lilac Stem Cell Treatment Mask, and this retails for $30. Lilac is hailed as an anti-acne elixir. This mask eliminates bacteria, minimizes inflammation, and it regulates oil production to prevent future breakouts. This is exactly what I need. I have really bad cystic acne going on right around my chin area. I also have some scarring. This is supposed to reduce breakouts, control skin redness, and I get very red. Balances sebum production, and it's anti-inflammatory. This sounds amazing. I kind of want to give one to Catherine to try too. Maybe we'll just give one to Griffin. He barely washes his face and he still has clear skin, and here I am with a very extensive skincare routine and having some trouble right now. But you apply this to clean skin and leave on for 20 minutes while the potent formula works its glow boosting magic. I see you, Lilac. I had no idea. I love the smell of lilac. I love the colors of lilac. Didn't realize it was supposed to help acne. And they also had a grape stem cell treatment, which grape is supposed to be a moisturizing antioxidant sheet mask that defends against the formation of fine lines, which I kind of have some forming on my forehead. I always raise up my eyes at, ooh, new products, or ooh, what's the tea? So I need to stop doing that because I don't want a wrinkly forehead. Not ready for that yet. This was the last test tube box for 2019. I gotta say, I am very impressed. I loved how well balanced this box is because we got some skincare, some body care, some hair products, and some lipstick. That's a really good balance in my opinion. I love Test Tube Beauty for this reason because you never know what you're gonna get. I think I am most excited for the hair and skincare products. Definitely am gonna put these to the test. I'm not washing my hair today. I think tomorrow or Monday would be a wash day. So this will also be good to see how well it removes dry shampoo, leave-in conditioners, texturing sprays, because I do use a lot of them since I don't have to wash my hair every single day. And then I kind of want to follow it with this mask to see how hydrating it leaves my hair. They were put together in this box, so it must be a combination that works out well, I'm guessing. I'm also very excited for these skincare products because I know I could use this right now. I'll probably use this tonight. I do need to use a mask since I do have a full face of makeup going on right now and I don't want any more breakouts. I don't think I'll be able to use both of these at the same time. I think that'd be a little bit too much because I do have sensitive skin, but I do want to see how this Refresh Gel Peel does work out for me. I just don't want to upset my skin, make it a little bit worse. Then again, these products could just be purging out my skin, trying to get out a lot of impurities when I introduce new products to it. I know a lot of this chin acne right now is due to stress. I don't know how to be not stressed. Let me know if you guys got Test Tube Beauty. There were also a little bit of variations. Instead of the Virtue Mask, you could have received the dry shampoo. Instead of the Chlorine body wash, you could have received the lotion. And instead of the lilac masks, you could have received the grape ones. I don't remember Test Tube Beauty doing a variation. I'm really excited about my variation, very pleased with all the products received. I hope you guys are excited and pleased about the products you received in your variation. Would love to know your thoughts on those products. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, thank you for the view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video. Go subscribe and enter the giveaway!